Hi everybody, my name is Shannon Brown. I'm an honours student with the School of Earth, Atmosphere and Environment, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my honours journey and why you might want to consider doing honours as well. So last year I finished my Bachelor of Science with majors in Environmental Science and Geosciences. In my undergrad, I particularly fell in love with Structural Geology, which focuses on understanding the 3D deformation and geometric relationships of rocks. For example, we might analyse how rocks are faulted or folded, like the ones I'm sitting on in front of the picture on the slide. Structural geology involves a lot of field work and mapping, so I knew that I needed something with a fieldwork component in my honours if I was going to do honours. I'll talk about what I ended up doing a bit later in this video. When I was coming to the end of my undergrad, I was starting to think about honours and whether I wanted to do it or not. I could see a lot of pros and cons to doing honours. I was working in the mining industry in the last few years of my undergrad, and I was really enjoying the work that I was doing, and I knew that the experience I had in industry would mean that I could possibly step straight into work without needing honours. So I was hesitant to commit to another year of study. And obviously what goes hand in hand with work is money. Government assistance has been really good, but it's obviously not the same as a full-time working wage. But on the other hand, while I was working in industry, I could also see the gaps in my knowledge, and I knew that a year of honours would make me a better geologist and I could contribute more to the field in the long run. I was also really keen to specialise in something. I feel like in science in particular, having that speciality can really set you apart when you're applying for jobs. Obviously, I chose to study honours in the end. I decided that I really did want to fill the gaps in my knowledge, and I felt like I only had a foundational understanding of geology, and that made me feel like I was missing something. So I wanted to be a bit more specialised. And I also decided that even though I would, make money going straight into the field, I'd be eligible for better jobs with honours, and I felt like I could contribute more to the industry, which is also really important to me. For honours in Earth, Atmosphere and Environment, we are required to do a mixture of coursework and research. To complete the coursework for EAE, you have to do 5 courses run by the Victorian Institute of Earth and Planetary Sciences. They're basically week-long specialised courses that focus on one topic relating to geosciences. It helps you upskill really quickly. Then for the research component, we have our main research topic related to the field we're interested in, which we write a thesis on, but we also have to write 1 to 2 literature reviews, and we give a seminar later in the year. The research topic is really unique to you. You can choose it with your supervisor before you start your honours year. My particular honours project, at the start of the year, it was supposed to be creating a structural map of Kambalda, which is in Western Australia. It's quite well known for its gold deposits. I was supposed to camp in Outback WA for a month and create this map, but COVID-19 came along, so I had to completely change my honours project, which was pretty sad because I couldn't do fieldwork anymore. But now my speciality is structural geophysics. I'm using geophysical data such as magnetic maps and radiometric maps, like the ones on this slide, to map the deformation of granite in a region of northeast Brazil, which is really interesting. Obviously, it's pretty far from my original project, but I actually absolutely love it. I'm brand new to geophysics, so I've had to learn really fast, but now I feel like I have a completely new skill set that I wouldn't have had before. And what's more, I had to learn a GIS program from scratch in order to do this work. But I'm really thankful because that skill is super transferable to the industry I want to work in. Hopefully your honours year doesn't go like this and you'll get the project you originally planned to do. But no matter what, you'll learn a ton. And I'm already extremely glad that I did an honours year because I have so much more knowledge than when I started. After honours, I'm hoping I can work in industry again. My honours has given me a really clear vision of the kind of work I want to do. And now I feel like I have the skills to actually get those jobs and contribute meaningfully to the industry. Just want to finish by saying that honours isn't for everyone, but I would really recommend it if you feel like you want something a little more advanced and unique from your degree, even if you don't plan to go into research. Pick a project that you love and a supervisor that you like and, give it your all and you'll be fine. I wish you all the best for whatever you decide to do, and yeah, consider doing honours. Thank you.